Welcome everyone to our YouTube channel. Today, the subject at hand is metagenomics. Here, we will start by briefly describing metagenomics, covering its overview and objectives, its applications, latest trends, bioinformatics tools for metagenomic analysis, skills required for expertise in this field, and some interesting project ideas. Now, let's kick things off. So, metagenomics is a powerful technique used to study the genetic material of entire communities of microbiomes. Rather than focusing on individual species, this approach has revolutionized our understanding of microbial ecosystem and their roles in various environments from human health to global climate change. Metagenomics encompasses collecting and analyzing genomes from mixed microbial communities, providing insights into their diversity, functional capabilities, and interaction within ecosystems. This field has helped by enabling the exploration of the vast diversity of microbial life, including many organisms that are difficult or impossible to culture in labs. The term metagenomics was first introduced in 1998, and since then, the field has evolved significantly, providing with the advent of next generation sequencing technologies. These advancements have facilitated the rapid sequencing of large amounts of data, enabling comprehensive studies of microbial population in various environments, such as soil, oceans, and the human gut. Now, let's move forward to the objectives of metagenomics, which include microbial diversity assessment, that is, understanding the composition and diversity of microbial communities. Then, functional analysis, that is, identifying genes and metabolic pathways present in microbial populations. Then, ecological interaction, studying interactions among microorganisms and their environments. Lastly, biotechnology applications. Here, discovering novel enzymes and bioactive compounds for industrial and medical use. Now, let's discuss broad applications of metagenomics. Metagenomics has a wide range of applications across various fields. First, environmental monitoring, assessing microbial diversity in ecosystem and tracking changes due to environmental stressors. Then, agriculture, understanding soil microbiomes to improve crop health and yield. Then, human health, investigating the human microbiomes' roles in the health and disease, including gut health and infections. Then, bioremediation, utilizing microbial communities to degrade pollutants in contaminated environments. Then, food safety, identifying pathogens and spoilage organisms in food products. Then, pharmaceutical discovery, discovering new antibiotics and therapeutics compound from microbial resources. Then, bioenergy, exploring microbial processes for biofuel production. Then, climate change research, studying microbial roles in carbon cycle and climate regulations. Then, aquaculture, monitoring microbial communities in aquatic system for fish health. Lastly, space exploration, analyzing microbial life in extreme environments such as Mars. Now, let's discuss the latest trends in metagenomics. Recent trends in metagenomics sectors include integration of multiomics approaches. Here, combining metagenomics with metatranscriptomes and metaproteomics for comprehensive insights into microbial functions. Next, advancement in sequencing technologies, continuous improvements in NGS technologies leading to faster and cheaper sequencing methods. Then, artificial intelligence and machine learning inclusion, utilizing AI for data analysis and interpretation, enhancing the ability to handle large data sets. These days, there's an increased focus on human microbiome, growing interest in the relationships between microbiome and various health conditions. Lastly, development of standardized protocols, establishing best practices for sample collection, processing, and data analysis to improve reproducibility and comparability of studies. These trends are basically leading the future of metagenomics studies. Now, let's explore some bioinformatics tools for metagenomics analysis. Several bioinformatic tools are essential for analyzing metagenomic data. First, we have MGRAST. It's a web-based platform for metagenomic data analysis, providing tools for taxonomic and functional annotations. Our next tool is Quantitative Insights into Microbial Ecology, which is widely used to analyze and interpret microbial community data, particularly from 16S rRNA sequencing. Then we have MetaFAM. It's a computational tool for profiling the composition of microbial communities for metagenomic sequencing data. Then we have Clover. It's a cloud-based platform that integrates various metagenomics analysis into a single workflow. Then we have Galaxy. It's an open source platform that allows users to create and share bioinformatics workflow for metagenomic analysis. To gain expertise in metagenomics, individuals should develop the following skills. So, these are skills required for expertise in metagenomics. First, we have molecular biology technique. Understanding DNA extraction, library preparation, and sequencing methods is very important for understanding microbial world. Then, bioinformatics. Proficiency in using bioinformatic tools and software for data analysis is utmost important. Then, statistical analysis. Knowledge of statistical methods for interpreting metagenomic data. Then, programming skills. Familiarity with programming languages such as Python and R for data manipulation and analysis. Lastly, ecological knowledge. Understanding microbial ecology and interactions within microbial communities. All these skills will lead an individual to make a break in this field. Now, let's discuss some pretty interesting project ideas for metagenomics data analysis. Here are three beginner-friendly project ideas for metagenomics data analysis, along with step-by-step guidance. First project idea is metagenomics data analysis on microbial diversity in soil samples. First, sample collection. Collect soil samples from different locations. Then, DNA extraction. Use a soil extraction kit to isolate microbial DNA. Then, sequencing. Send samples for 16S rRNA GNA sequencing. Then, data analysis. Use Quantitative Insights into Microbial Ecology tool to analyze the sequencing data and generate diversity matrix. Lastly, interpret results. Compare microbial diversity across different soil samples. Second project idea is on metagenomics data analysis for human gut microbiome analysis. Steps. First, sample collection. Obtain stool samples with ethical approval. Then, DNA extraction. Extract microbial DNA using a stool DNA extraction kit. Then, sequencing. Perform shotgun metagenomic sequencing. Then, data analysis. Use MGRAST for taxonomic and functional analysis. Lastly, interpret results. Analyze the relationship between gut microbiome composition and dietary habits. Third project idea is metagenomic analysis on bioremediation potential of microbial communities. Steps include sample collection. Collect samples from contaminated sites, examples oil spills. Second, DNA extraction. Extract microbial DNA from environmental samples. Then, sequencing. Conduct metagenomic sequencing. Next, data analysis. Use MetaFin to identify potential bioremediation microbes. Lastly, interpret results, evaluate functional capabilities of identified microbiomes for pollutant degradation. Join our training program to gain hands-on experience in metagenomics and participate in exciting projects. Subscribe to our channel for updates and comment below if you have any query. Thank you again.